A two-hand vine in the dance Nightclub Two Step is what we're doing today. We'll show it to you first.
We're going to start with an underarm turn.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1
Walk
and
under.
2, 3
Set
and
it up.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. I think you'll go under. Okay. All right. So Dick's going to explain it to us.
Okay. We're going to start with an underarm turn, and I'm going to rotate the lady around. Watch this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I want to rotate her hands around because we are going to do forward side, behind, 3 and 4.
Let's do that again from here. Okay, so we'll try again. So 1 and 2, 3
And 4. I did my side cross side, except I rotated her around at the end of that. Then I start the vine. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I walk under and 2. Start it all again. Cross over in front and behind. 3 and 4. I walk under and 2. Back to closed position. I can do a left hand turn from there, and that will do it.
Let's do it from this side so they can see.
Okay, we'll start here with my
And
underarm
you can
turn.
see his arms. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Notice the rotation, very important.
On
You can
count
make-
4.
You can make this travel 1 and 2 with however much room you get. Then I walk under next, and we take the trip back where we came from. Cross over, 2, 3, and you can pick up and close. Do a left turn from there, and there it is where you want to be.
I'd like you to explain your footwork from here. So
Okay, I've just twisted I've gone my side, cross, side. Okay, I'm driving forward. She is gonna hook back. I'm gonna cross in front.
forward,
1
side.
side and hook behind. 3 and 4.
So say that again. So it's just a forward, side, back. That part. Okay.
So here's my 4 count. I'm gonna go forward, side, behind, side, cross, side.
Okay, and so for mine, when he takes me to do my vine, I'm gonna go behind first. I'm gonna go back, side, forward, side, back, side. And then he'll just
And
give
then, of
me.
course, I'll do a walk under and repeat it or go back to closed position.
So that is a two-hand vine in the dance Nightclub Two Step. See you later. Bye-bye.